Once upon a time, there lived a rich farmer, Bholu, who had 5 grown-up sons. The boys were strong and hard-working, but very often they fought and quarreled amongst themselves over small things. The farmer often scolded them and requested them not to fight, but it was of no use. The farmer wanted his sons to be united and happy. So one day he brought home a bundle of sticks. Then he called his sons one by one and asked them to break the sticks without separating them from the bundle. They all tried using all their strength and skill, but did not succeed. Then the farmer opened the bundle and gave one stick to each of his sons and asked them to break it. They could all do that easily. The farmer then explained, "If you are united, you will be strong and powerful, and no one will be able to harm you. But if you are divided and alone, you will be weak and people will take advantage of you." The sons all promised never to fight amongst themselves again. They realized that there is strength in unity.